Heartbroken, lawmaker breaks his silence following confirmation that his 10-month-old daughter and her mother were killed. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We are on air on television Jamaica and TVJ International in the Cayman Islands, as well as online on onespotmedia.com. I am Javon Keys. Also this evening, disaster. Fire destroys shoe market in Montego Bay, St. James, and political campaigning heating up. JLP lining up new candidate for Northeast St. Anne. There's also the business review and sports as well as weather in this newscast. So please stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.